Hi there. Today I get a new device for my smart house. Before this I try Alexa, Amazon Echo, and which is we can control switch, lamp, fan, aircon. Now I leave it to my son to open it. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Let's open it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. And now in my hand, Fire TV Stick 4K. The device that we use to control our TV to be a smart TV. I don't know how useful is it to my TV, but we'll try. In Malaysia, we have to use plug converter. And inside the box, be careful. Yes.
What the heck? What's this? Yes. See this,
The plug, remote, cable, and Fire TV Stick from Amazon 4K version. Okay, let me try now at my TV. I want to forward my TV to be a smart TV. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, we have done install our Fire TV stick. Now we want to try it on the TV screen. Okay, we start with command to Alexa to open TV. Alexa, turn on TV. Okay, now the interface TV. This is Fire TV. Searching for your remote. Tap to pair. Press to start. Okay. I choose English, United States. Continue without power adapter. I use USB power, not adapter. Okay, now connect to the network. Okay, connection success. It's checking for updates, maybe a few minutes. After we finish setup, this interface of Fire TV, home, live, videos, movie, TV show, apps. We also can enable all apps that synchronize with Alexa. If we want to watch Netflix, we just with a command voice. Okay, like open Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
If you want to change to YouTube and search, we just say search Beyblade on YouTube.
Getting back from YouTube.
Okay, the command with voice is more easy.
It destroyed home base. It's all about smart TV now. OMG! Look at my man.
With Fire TV stick, it's just not only we can watch the movie, but we can use the remote to control all our smart device, such as turn off family room,
Okay.
switch on family room,
Okay.
it also can mirror our smartphone. With ASA screen, open it. choose screen mirror, airplay. And we can also link with our CCTV. We can see our CCTV on the screen like this. Show backyard one.
Okay.
See, it's so easy. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye.